Hey everyone, this is a new segment that's going to be put out once per month. It's regarding the landing fees that seem to be taking over general aviation recently. If you haven't seen the video that we did with AOPA in September, go ahead and check whichever box it is that Derek puts it in so that you can go ahead and watch that video. But here's a little update for everybody. So Kissimmee Airport did sign it into effect, and they will be enacting those landing fees starting in February 1st, 2025. Today's date is the 27th of December, 2024. So it's right around the corner. We have become involved with a news group, a Facebook group called Pilots Tracking Vektor. And obviously that's going to give you the most up-to-date information. But I wanted to kind of share this with you guys a little bit. That goes into effect on February 1st, and those fees basically come up to $3 per 1,000 pounds rounded up. Transient based on a max gross weight, first landing is exempt from the 5,000 pound or less, and tenants are exempt. This was very much pushed through by Kissimmee City Council. There was supposed to be a workshop with pilots involved, and that was ordered at the earlier December. Might have actually been November meeting, and they decided to just forego that. They were not going to allow that to happen. So the pilots didn't get a voice in it, and pushed through the vote. And that took place a week and a half ago. So please join Pilots Tracking Vektor. It is a Facebook group. It'll give you the most up-to-date information, but get involved. I reached out to an awful lot of YouTubers and influencers to try to see if they would get involved. Obviously, they've got managers, and most of those guys have managers or somebody that's kind of intercepting some of that communication. A call out to Cletus McFarlane, Heavy D Sparks, Jimmy's World, all people that have massive subscribers that can really make a difference in trying to make a difference inside of this. I'm originally from England, and I saw what fees have done to general aviation across Europe, not just in England. Please get involved. There will be an awful lot of information hitting Pilots Tracking Vektor with congressmen that you can reach out to and at least try to make a change inside of this. ADSB was never designed to be used in enforcement. And unfortunately, it has been morphed for one company to be able to use that. And honestly, I'm on the fence of if Vektor didn't exist, somebody else would. So this isn't really Vektor's fault. This is really down to greedy airports and greedy airport managers that are trying to do overexpansion. And, it's rapidly going to affect our beloved general aviation in the US. Please get involved, take care, and stay safe.